Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you in a few minutes how you can use Digital Theatre Plus to teach Frantic Assembly in your classroom, focusing on things I know to be true, but also mentioning Love Song. When you're on the homepage of DT Plus, using the white search bar, type in Things and click Enter. This will bring up 15 results. The first result on the top right of the page is the production of Things I Know to be True. Click on the picture to open the link. Once you're in the production page, you can scroll down to play the production or skip to different acts within the play. If you continue to scroll down the page, you will come across a section called Resources. Here you will find a variety of filmed and written material on Things I Know to be True. Click on the playtext and then onto the picture of the script. This will load the entire playtext for the production. You can enlarge the script and either bring it up on a screen or on iPads so that students can follow along with the text in class. They can also access it from home when learning and reading through particular sections. If you scroll down the page, on the Practice and Practitioner section, there are 6 interviews with various members of the cast and creative team. The insight and answers they give to questions that are asked link closely to specific assessment objectives and help the students to form their own understanding and comprehension of specific elements of the production, such as the acting choices, direction decisions, and design elements. Under the Theory and Criticism section, you will see both a study guide and an essay on Frantic Assembly. First, start by clicking on the picture for the comprehensive study guide. This is designed to be used once you have seen the show and has been written for us exclusively by Scott Graham, who is the founder and artistic director of Frantic Assembly. As you scroll down the first page, you can see the contents of the guide, which will help to pinpoint specific areas of focus. As you can see, when we click on the Themes section, the guide first explains, then delves further into specific themes from the production. When looking at the creation of the image, for example, we can see a background of the creative thought process, as well as images and videos linked to the guide to help give a rounded picture of the production as a whole. You can download the entire guide, or just the specific sections that you want to use in class. Click on the back button twice, and this will take you back to our original production page. Another fantastic resource which links not only to Things I Know to be True, but Frantic Assembly as a whole, is our extended essay by Alex Sears from Rose Bruford College. This introduction to Frantic Assembly was commissioned by DT Plus and is original and exclusively written for us. This essay can be used by students who want an understanding of the methods, process, and history of Frantic Assembly. These can be used as an initial introduction to the company or as a revision exercise before the students' exams. Let's look at 2 more resources which will be extremely valuable for you and your students when teaching Frantic Assembly. If you type and search for Frantic in the search bar, that will bring up 19 results. The first result on the top left is a Frantic Assembly warm-up. Clicking on the picture takes you into the overview page. We are lucky to have been able to film some of the warm-up process for Things I Know to be True. Narrated by Associate Director Johnny Reardon, this video takes you through 6 warm-up exercises, with aims and instructions being narrated for you and your students. The warm-ups can be used to help energise students before a lesson and to give them an insight on how one of the world's leading companies prepares before working on devised theatre. Finally, scrolling down to the bottom of the page, you will also see a second production from Frantic Assembly, the acclaimed Love Song. Watching this production will also help to give your students insight into other productions from Frantic Assembly so they can see how their style translates into their work. Hopefully, by combining these resources, both you and your students will be able to have a detailed and comprehensive view of teaching Frantic Assembly using Digital Theatre Plus.